Welcome to Advanced Data Visualization with Seaborn. We'll explore how to enhance your Python data science workflow using sophisticated statistical visualizations. Our journey will cover Seaborn fundamentals, statistical plots, customization techniques, and real-world applications. Seaborn's core philosophy emphasizes simplicity and efficiency, offering a high-level interface for creating complex statistical plots. It excels in distribution analysis, relationship exploration, and categorical comparisons. Customization is seamless with themes and color palettes, ensuring publication-ready graphics. These features make Seaborn indispensable for real-world data analysis and machine learning workflows. Seaborn, built on Matplotlib, offers a high-level interface for creating statistically informed visualizations with minimal code. It excels in handling complex tasks like computing statistical aggregates and fitting regression models, allowing data scientists to focus on data insights. Its intelligent defaults and seamless data frame integration make it ideal for exploring feature distributions and correlations in machine learning projects. To install Seaborn, use pip or conda, pip install Seaborn, or conda install Seaborn. Import it with import Seaborn as SNS, a nod to the West Wing's Samuel Norman Seaborn. Ensure compatibility with version 0.12 plus for consistent API patterns. Set the theme globally using sns.setTheme for cohesive aesthetics. Seaborn's two-level API architecture consists of axis-level and figure-level functions. Axis-level functions like scatterplot and heiseplot plot on existing Matplotlib axes, ideal for precise control. Figure-level functions like relplot and catplot create entire figures with multiple subplots, perfect for automatic faceting. Understanding these distinctions enhances plot customization and productivity. Understanding data distribution is crucial before model building. Seaborn's distribution plots, like heiseplot, reveal skewness, outliers, and multimodality. Using KDER-true overlays a kernel density estimate, providing a clearer view of the underlying probability distribution. This insight is vital for informed feature engineering and model selection. Advanced distribution analysis enhances data understanding by comparing distributions across categories. Using Seaborn, the hue parameter differentiates distributions by categorical variables, while the multiple parameter manages their display. For bivariate analysis, two-dimensional density plots, like kplot, reveal concentration patterns between continuous variables, offering insights beyond scatterplots, especially in large datasets. Seaborn's realplot function is versatile for visualizing relationships, handling both scatter and line plots. Using sns.regplot, we can fit a regression line with confidence intervals to explore the correlation between total bill and tip. Additionally, relplot allows multifaceted exploration by categorizing data with parameters like hue and col, offering deeper insights into variable interactions. Categorical plots like box, violin, and bar plots are essential for comparing groups. Box plots reveal quartiles and outliers, ideal for distribution comparisons. Violin plots merge box plots with kernel density estimation for richer insights. Bar plots automatically compute point estimates with confidence intervals, offering a clear view of categorical data trends. The catplot function in Seaborn offers a versatile approach to categorical analysis. By adjusting the kind parameter, you can seamlessly switch between strip, box, and violin plots, among others. This flexibility allows for quick exploration of data relationships, with options for faceting by additional variables, enhancing the depth of analysis without extensive code changes. Heat maps for correlation matrices are crucial in machine learning for identifying multicollinearity. By computing a correlation matrix and using sns.heatmap with a not true, you can visualize correlation coefficients. The CMAP Bars Cool-Warm and Center Zero settings highlight positive and negative correlations. Values near +1 or 1 suggest strong correlations, indicating potential feature redundancy. The pairplot function generates a grid of scatter plots for each pair of numeric variables, with distributions on the diagonal. It's ideal for initial data exploration, especially for datasets with 3 to 10 numeric features. Use SNS.pairplot with Hughes time and diag-kinect to visualize relationships and distributions, though it can be computationally intensive for larger datasets. Seaborn offers built-in themes like dark grid for presentations and white for publications, controlling background and grid style. Context scaling adjusts elements for different media, with talk ideal for slides. Custom palettes, such as hustle or user-defined, ensure perceptual uniformity across plots, enhancing visual coherence in data representation. Seaborn offers diverse color palette strategies. Use qualitative palettes for categorical data, ensuring each color is distinct. Sequential palettes suit continuous data, with color intensity indicating magnitude. Diverging palettes are ideal for data with a meaningful midpoint using contrasting colors from a neutral center. Preview palettes with SNS.palplot to ensure optimal visualization. Facet grid in Seaborn allows for advanced multi-plot layouts by creating grids conditioned on categorical variables. Initialize with SNS facet grid, map plotting functions like SNS.scatterplot, and customize with reference lines and labels. This approach is powerful for comparing patterns across different contexts, enhancing the depth of your data analysis. Seaborn enhances statistical estimation by automatically computing and displaying confidence intervals, a key advantage over matplotlib. Use regplot for regression with confidence bands, lineplot for bootstrapped intervals, and barplot for 95% confidence intervals. The error bar parameter customizes confidence representation, offering options like CI, SD, SE, or Pi for prediction intervals. Utilize pairplot and displot to assess feature distributions, identifying skewness or outliers. Use countplot for class balance and classification tasks, guiding sampling strategies. Compare model performance with boxplot or violin plot across cross-validation folds. Employ residplot for residual analysis, diagnosing model assumptions and detecting prediction errors. Begin with loading the dataset and inspecting its structure. Analyze price distribution using displot to identify skewness. Explore relationships with pairplot, focusing on caret and price. Use catplot to examine how cut quality affects price. Finally, a heat map reveals correlations, highlighting multicollinearity. This comprehensive exploratory data analysis workflow builds intuition for subsequent modeling tasks. For large datasets, optimize performance by using random sampling for visualization. Scatter plots with over 10,000 points can be slow and cluttered. Hexagonal binning efficiently reveals density patterns by aggregating points. Additionally, disable statistical computations like confidence intervals when unnecessary to save resources. These strategies ensure efficient data visualization without compromising on clarity. Professional visualizations demand precise styling. Seaborn's theme settings offer control over typography and color, while matplotlib fine-tunes details. For publication quality, set dots per inch to 300. Use SNS.violinplot for data distribution, enhancing with titles and labels. Save with plt.savefig for high-resolution output. This combination ensures aesthetic coherence and print-ready visuals. Avoid mixing API levels by using axis-level functions with plt.subplot, or letting figure-level functions create layouts. Prefer long-format data using pd.melt to avoid manual pivoting. For dense data, use transparency, density plots, or hexbin to prevent overplotting. Ensure proper aspect ratios by setting height and aspect for figure level or fig size for axis level plots. Custom statistical functions in Seaborn allow for advanced visualizations. Define functions like median with Hotch IQR to overlay domain-specific reference lines and custom aggregations. Use map for simple functions and map data frame for more complex data manipulations. This technique enhances data insights by highlighting specific characteristics and combining multiple statistical summaries effectively. Seaborn excels in statistical data exploration and rapid prototyping, offering automatic statistical computation and beautiful defaults. Matplotlib is ideal for publication-quality graphics, providing complete customization and a stable API. Plotly shines in interactive dashboards and web applications, featuring interactive tooltips and 3D capabilities. Each tool has unique strengths and limitations, often used together for comprehensive data visualization. Develop standardized EDA notebooks with Seaborn's pair plots, distribution plots, and correlation heat maps for efficient data understanding. Master axis level and figure level functions to avoid debugging issues. Trust Seaborn's statistical intelligence for rigorous visualizations. Combine with Matplotlib for fine-tuning and use set context to optimize visuals for different audiences. Master core plots by practicing with real datasets to understand their appropriate use. Develop reusable exploratory data analysis templates for common analysis patterns. Reproduce visualizations from the Seaborn gallery to enhance skills. Integrate visualization into your machine learning pipeline for better insights. Experiment with themes and palettes for polished results. Utilize essential resources like the official Seaborn tutorial and application programming interface reference.